Okay, so we should be back now. Let's see if I went off on Twitch. Yes, I'm on Twitch. Yo, 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 yo. Okay, so let's do the number thing again. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Number 5. Okay, okay, yeah, okay, we're good. We're at 6 seconds behind. Okay, so I'm in the future, I'm in the present. Okay, we're all good, guys. Whew. Very good, very nice. Anyway, we were draining that cap and we have done so. Now we can get this board out. This tiny board. So yeah, no audio for me. Yo, TFN, turn up your audio, turn up your speakers, man. Swarm Tech, thank you for the sub. What was I saying? Anyway, get a multimeter with low impedance. It's good for checking batteries as well, because what happens is, so basically low impedance mode, it puts a 2.5 resistor and a PTC in series. So just puts a load on stuff. So puts a load on this cap and it drains it. And if you want to check batteries, it's nice to have like a load or something so you can see the true voltage when it's powering or when it's, you know, draining the what you call it, current. Okay, so I'm gonna desolder this pin or this PCB. Yeah, that's what it's called. And this for the feedback. So we have some optocouplers and we have a chip there that I'm guessing is for the feedback circuit or for the switching devices. On the video I said this was the switching MOSFET. I don't know if that's really true. Maybe it could be the rectified diode for the output or this one, this device right here. But someone in the comments will probably let me know about that. Like, oh, you don't know what you're talking about. You're just a dumb YouTuber. Let's go. So we are. Oh, and did I put flux on here or what did I do? It is fluxy already, so I might have done that. It's just a bit out of focus for me. That's nicer. Let's add some more flux. Why not? So everything is good now, guys, right? The audio is good. The video should be decent at least. Let's get some soldering action. Solder. C210. So I did buy a new handle for my soldering station. It's the 245 handle. So previously I had the C470 handle, and there's not really that much of a difference on the handles, to be honest. Just that the 245 is a little bit more comfortable. And it's nice to have spares. And I'm glad I bought one before. This was before the added VAT, €3 VAT, so I wish I just bought more stuff, man, before July. Just so annoying now. There we go. Maybe this. I think we need a little bit more. I think most of these are loose now. Need an appropriate tweezer for this. And I just hate when they bend the pins like this. And I know why they do it. It's for mechanical stability. Still annoying though. Let's see, this pin is loose. These pins needs to, yeah, we need to go over the braid more. I should just bust out my desoldering gun, but it's in storage. A bit lazy. That would be the perfect tool for this job. But I just kept it in storage because it's not often that I'm working on through-hole components. Only through-hole component that I'm working on is probably the TMR sticks. And even then I'm using my hot air, so it's really no point. It's just taking up space. Did you guys see MK's video yesterday? He was also working on power supplies. I'm not gonna spoil anything. It was funny, we posted about power supplies on the same day. That is loose. I need to bend these up. All of these are loose now, I believe. Except for maybe that one. Okay. How can I bend this up? Let's see. Need some prying tool or something. I saw it. I was very upset with the ending. Yeah, it ended on a cliffhanger. There's that one. Just using a bit. There's that. Okay, so it's loose now. Should be. um, guess I'm number one because there is Greg. You're always number one. You're always number one. There we go. Did disable? I haven't disabled anything. Watch that MK vid. Can wait for part 2. Yeah. Let's try. Oof. Oh yeah, there's still some. I don't know what this is. Some thermal compound or something, but it's really stucky. Stucky. That's not a word. It's almost like glue. Okay, so I can shift the board. TFN, you missed the new number test. You guys want to do it again? Let's do it again. Let's go again. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. 3. Number 3. It's almost like bingo. Number 3. Yeah, that's good. We're good. We're good, guys. It's like 6 seconds. We're all good. I'm so happy to be streaming. Really, you guys make my day. You guys make me laugh. Okay, here we go. Let's see. This top one should be 220 ohms. And this other one should be 1.5k. There's no labeling on this one though. The other one that I did on the video had some labeling. But we know now from experience that this should be 1.5k. So, probing here. Resistor is 220, you guys can see it. This is OL. I can show you that at least. So, going there, OL. So let's go, oh wait, let's go take our resistor book. Someone take over the position number 1, the stress is killing me. You have a target on your back, Greg. That's the price you have to pay to wear the crown. Here you go, this 1.5k. The crown is heavy. What's the quote? What's the quote? Heavy is the crown. Something, something. hate reinstalling a PC to get all those passwords and enter again. I hate software, period. I don't like software. I'm all about the hardware. Let's see. There we are. I'm gonna swap out this one. And we can use our hot air. I'm just gonna take this off. It's a little gunk. Without damaging the board, I don't want to scrape the board too much. In the video, I was applying solder mask to cover some of that damage I did. That was just cosmetic, so doesn't really affect anything, but it doesn't look the best. Let's see. Come in with our hot air. 420. 420 with, I don't know, 120 airflow. There we go. Let's see, yeah, that top resistor is still intact. That is good. I like to wick away the pads, or not the pads, but solder on the pads. Wicking away the pads is something different, but just like to take the wick off or the solder off. Then I just add some solder to one pad, and then slide the resistor in. Maybe you have another technique, but that's what I like to do. I need to get my website going too. Do you know how to do that? Or I was thinking of hiring someone from Fiverr or something. I don't need that much. It's just maybe one page or something. And what you call it? Email form or something. No, so somewhere where people can fill in their application. I've been doing a website since 2003. Goddamn. So basically, what you're saying is I need to step up my game and get some skills. Okay, so that is soldered on. 1.5K exact. Oof, that was nice. Look at this. 1.5K exact with the zeros. That's nice. um. Yeah. I'm just having a laugh. I'm just having a laugh, mate. Some banta. Okay, and that is good. Did that This was unpopulated, right? This wasn't... There wasn't anything here, right? Let me see, I don't have anything on my bench, I don't think. Just the old resistor. No, I think that was unpopulated. Let's see, this goes... It looks like... Nah, I don't think that was anything. Whoa, and look at this. This is... Yeah. Oh, and we do have some solder balls here. The production on this wasn't really that great, huh? Or at least the QC. So when you guys are soldering and you're like, oh, I have to make it perfect, I have to make it, don't be too hard on yourself, because the production don't really care that much either. You know, you can have some solder balls like right here. Can you guys see that? Yeah, some solder balls here. You can have shifted components. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah, there's solder balls everywhere. It's a little bit dangerous on a power supply, I'm not gonna lie. But hey. Okay, so we did that repair, or that resistor swap. Now for the most difficult part of this entire thing that I like struggled with 20 minutes is just putting this back on the main board, putting the daughter board. uh yeah, you guys are chatting away. That's good. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video or in the stream. I would appreciate that. Let's see. That might be in place. Let's see. That's in place. It's just that when you take the pins out from this, they kind of bend. So you have to try to bend them back, and you don't have a lot of room here to try to fit the daughter board in. Chill and relax. Hello. Hello, hello. Welcome. How is the new Aten? Hopefully you're getting used to it. I recently also bought a new hot air station, so it takes some time to get used to all the tools. But I actually went away from the Aten to the Sugan. Wanted to try something new. It's better than my Black & Decker. Yeah, so that's an improvement for sure. Yeah, that is a good hot air is a game changer. I'm not gonna lie. Makes things so much easier. That's probably the first thing you should not improve, but that's that's the first upgrade you should get. If you already have a soldering iron and you have like the hot air with the wand, yeah, definitely upgrade that. And it's so awkward, man, to fit this daughterboard in. Struggled with this yesterday, like 20 minutes, I'm not gonna lie. Oh. I'm just a stupid tech, I'm not an assembler. And this is asking too much of me. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Can have something to look at least. Oh. It's so annoying, man. Like I could desolder this entire shield and it would make it easier, but that is too long. Come on. That's what I used to say reversed about the assemblers. Like you've done this before? Yeah. I've also done this a couple of times, but this is always what I'm struggling with. Did yours have the burnt up resistor as well? Haven't come across any other issues with these power supplies. It's always the resistors. You can see that this pin here is bent. So try and straighten that out. But they do get weak if you try to bend them too much. Yes, buddy, and a MOSFET. Oh, okay. Huh. This must be painful to watch, man. But yeah, don't at least put on some music or something like, maybe someone else's stream on the other window or something like. It's gonna take a while. I don't know why this is so difficult. It really shouldn't be, but these pins, they just bend easily. Yeah, maybe Joe is on. You can go watch Joey and come back in like 20 minutes or something. Okay, bye, Andy. Joey is off. Okay, okay, okay. TFN, are you gonna go live today? Can you coat them with solder to strengthen them? Yeah, I could. But then I can't bend them again if I want to like realign them. But that is a good shout. Like the issue is this shield. There's not much space to work around. And I'm afraid if I solder the pins, I won't fit them through the hole. That go in or no? It's in there. Oh, okay, got it. Oh, got it finally. Ugh. MK is going live later today. Okay, good. Then you can go and watch a real streamer. But anyway. Let's see. Get you in focus. So that was faster than yesterday, believe it or not. Pains me to say it, but probably spent like 20 minutes or half an hour just doing that. But then again, you don't feel the pressure of the stream. You can just relax and have a Netflix on or whatever, just working. Mike is going live. Mick? Mike? Mr. Dilemma. Mr. Dilemma? uh, like Andy yesterday. Dilemma? What's his channel? I've never heard of him. How awkward for me. I have never heard of him. Let me know. Roughly, Andy, what are you typing? Silly little car. Damn. Put on my fume extractor. I'm sacrificing my health for you guys. Not using my fume extractor. Want it to come through the mic. No, real channel name is Reflex. Oh. Actually, I do think I've seen him. I think you hosted him some time ago. Maybe just finish that one up. There you go. Very smart and cool dude. Yeah, I bet. I mean, if he's working with electronics, he has to be, right? Get in there. Get some thick wipes. You know, this is like the best purchase I bought from Nanofix's AliExpress videos. These thick wipes. Actually, so good. Just cleaning up some flux. Especially when you're doing the through hole, they don't rip that easily. Thanks to him, got me into doing mods on consoles. Oh, wait. He's doing Xbox, right? Yeah, I've seen him. I know who it is, yeah. See, guys, I know people. Okay, let's inspect our work. Under the scope. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. A little bit blobby, but it's fine. It's good. It's soldered on. Let's see, what is that one doing? Oh, okay, that one needs some more solder. That one. You guys can see it, but yeah, that one needs more. Yeah, that one needs more, absolutely. Let's see, where am I? Where did it go? I can't raise my microscope anymore, but let's see if I have something to point with. You can see that there's just didn't cover the pin enough there. See, there's a gap there still. I mean, it's connected on the other side, but there's just to make a nice solder joint there, we need to add a little bit more. Boom, boom, boom. What should I eat today? Feeling lazy. I kind of want to get some, I don't know, maybe hamburgers or something. After I saw that Discord post with who was it? Who was it? What is his name? M something. Yeah, Malak's Workshops was posting hamburgers. Now I want some too. There we go. That is good. You got your ring light yet? No, it should be coming here next week. So probably next stream we have it. But the current view is not that bad. It's not super it's not the best, okay? It's 1080p, but it's not bad. I've seen other streamers where, you know, the quality is not that great, but we still watch them, you know, we still love them, so obviously it's still glary, like around here, and the camera is doing its best to compensate with the auto exposure. But yeah, I should get it next week. So we can maybe I'll do a video on it or something. Or maybe not, because I don't have maybe I won't do a video. Because I don't have 4K quality, and you know, I'm using my shitty capture card. So I don't think it will come across that great. And I don't want to, you know, I don't want to make Paul Daniels look bad. But it's probably like really good in real life. It's just that I don't think I can make the product justice. But we can have a losing my words. I hate when I lose my words, man. We can have a comparison on stream. That's what I'm trying to say. Camel burger. What is camel burgers? Is that what he made? Like actual camel meat, or sounds crazy. Huh. Okay, so that is good. There's still some this factory flux, so I'm gonna leave it as is. Obviously the production didn't care. And it's also no clean flux, so but the solder joints look good. That's fine to me. Click clack. Camel burgers. I think I have had kangaroo meat. That's probably the craziest thing I've eaten. And horse meat. But yeah, I'm up to try some camel. Why not? But I'm trying to eat some hamburgers, man. Yeah, I've had that too. Well, as a burger. What, alligator burger? Or the camel? Alligator burger. Where do I get that? Do I have to go to Miami or something? We don't have that in Sweden. What is? Oh, some insulating foam or padding here. That was not in the previous chassis. This must be another revision. I don't think this was opened. So okay. See, I need to go. Wait, yeah. Flip it. It should be like this, I believe. England tonight, but who's playing? Who's playing? I might watch. Footy, yay. Yeah, I can. I can have a burger and watch some footy. That would be nice. On my vacation. I have 2 weeks vacation. So I'm chilling, enjoying life. England and Mexico. Ooh. Are you betting? Put the bet in. Vacay what? Yeah, right. Too tight with money. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's respectable. I like to put in a bet every now and then just to spice it up a little bit, but I'm not really a gambler or anything. It's nice to do it sometimes with the boys. Yeah. But yeah, I have 2 weeks, so 2 weeks. So hopefully I can put in some work. Upload some videos. Or not make, but learn how to make thumbnails. I think that would have the biggest impact. A gamble on components, yeah. AliExpress is the wild, wild west. Only time I gambled was while watching dog racing. Bet on one called Wi-Fi. I bet it $1.15. Hey, that's 5x. That's good. Okay, so it's reassembled now. Nice and solid. Let's give it a test. Wait, I'm just gonna set it up a little bit more. Can come out. Let's clean up our workspace. Haven't tried kangaroo yet, but I've had beer. Ooh, beer. Gator muskrat. Muskrat? Squirrel, amongst others. Nice. Chicken and cow, yeah. You're a wild boy, Andy. You're a wild boy, man. Like to live dangerous. When you want to work more on PCUs, I recommend a dim bulb tester. Yeah, that's a good shout. I need to buy one of them. The one that everyone is talking about now on AliExpress. The 30 euro one. You guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'll have to do that when AliExpress calms down. Get their system right. Because I'm not paying 3 euros per item. And this, by the way, is the best tool. Is to get out expansion packs and jumper packs in the N64. I don't know if you guys had this when you were kids, but it's official tool. You get these when you buy the expansion pack, and then you just pry it out. Yeah, I don't want to make the dim bulb tester. I just rather just spend some money. Oh, we have to put this back, the resistors back. And you spend probably the same amount of money making one, and then you add time on that. So I don't think it's worth it. Or maybe if you can get it for like 10 euros, make one yourself. 10 euros. Other than that, I don't see the point really. It's just maybe if you want to do it for fun, it's a project. Anyway, stop yapping. I'm yapping way too much. Okay, guys. Whoops. Sorry. My mic slipped. If it explodes now, it's gonna explode on stream. So 3, 2, 1. I did get some interference on my screen. Or some noise, electrical noise. But it didn't blow up, so... What do you think? Fixed? Easy pizza? I mean, it's an easy pizza, right? You guys remember? These 3 on the left are ground. 3.3 and 12 volts. Let's see. Here we go. 3.5, yeah. And 11. So, and that is normal, by the way. The official, or not the official, but like normal power supplies that are running correctly, they're on 11 and 3.5. So I checked with another one that I haven't repaired. So I mean, the voltage gets regulated inside the N64 anyways. So because they have like a 5-volt voltage regulator and stuff, so it's all good. Yeah, fixed. It's working. Boom. Easy. Add fix. That's nice. Maybe that's the... I can't remember. It's probably the second one or third one that we fixed on stream. Not the power supply, but a fix. And I have 5 more of these to go. But I'm not gonna do that today. How are we on time? I think I'm gonna end it there, actually. I've been going for 2 hours. So just short stream, guys. I just gotta pace myself because I don't have that much stuff to repair. But no, I mean, I don't have that. It's a little bit boing. I do have these still. It's a little bit boing, you know. If you really want to, but MK is coming on soon, so you guys can hang out with him. Yeah, I do have more consoles. I have like 8 consoles and N64s. But they probably just need a clean, man. They're not like anything deep or advanced. But yeah, thank you guys. Thanks Andy, Mr. SER, Cornetto King, Chlorslug. No, MK isn't coming on. Okay. So let's do Cyber Tiger, and then I'm out. Can't believe I stayed on this whole second stream. Hey, I'm surprised as well. But yeah, so we tried this one on, I think it was the first stream, and we gave it a clean. So let's open it up. Okay, thank you, Greg. I'm just gonna do this one for TFN. The rest of you guys can you know, say goodbye, and thank you guys for hanging out. So this will be the last one, then I'm out too. Where's my screwdriver? Come on. Do we see another wick situation? I mean, we could. That was an amazing streamer moment. I'm happy I had that on camera. 'Cause that was insane. I've never seen that before. Like, dude just literally left some wick. That was crazy to me. But yeah, I'm happy I can share those moments with you guys. So happy, man. Okay, so let's check Cyber Tiger. And it's a small board. It doesn't fit the entire cartridge. Corrosion? Yeah, it could be crew? Can't speak. Running out of brain juice. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe broken trace. The Mario Golf game, we just needed a reflow on the pins. But I was too busy being talkative, so I didn't notice that. But then when I went back and looked, it was actually some just broken, or not broken, but like cold solder joints. My voice is getting a little bit raspy. Let's see here. Try to adjust my scope. My scopa. Is that it? No, that is not in focus. Oh, okay, that's nice. That's nice. Try to get myself in focus. Okay. I mean, this quality is it's not that bad. I mean, I'm whining a lot about the picture quality, but that is not too bad. Yeah, it's a little bit glary. I can cover that. When you look at it like this, it's okay, man. It's okay. I don't see anything immediate that could be wrong. Looks like it's the same, the same what? Oh yeah. The reflow. Yeah. Got you. I'm just gonna look at the top, see if we can maybe identify some broken traces. I don't see anything. Looks clean. Clean. See the back. Let's check the traces first, and then let's see. Like this board looks clean, so this here is suspicious looking. Right there. And yeah, maybe some of these look a little bit suspicious, but the traces look fine. So let's just reflow. And then we can try the game. Maybe we can get a happy ending. Let's try the V3 flux. Let's try this one. Need a plunger though. Oh yeah, that's what I was going to do. I need a plunger and I need not a nozzle, what you call it? Needle, syringe, blah blah. Let's see, we can use that one. Is that too big? No, that's good. I think this is from the, no, it is from the stereo package. It came with 3 different nozzles. That's one, and here's another one. Different diameter. Yeah, you like that, Greg. Happy ending. So there you go. This is a little bit too wide, I think. And yeah, if you compare the two, It doesn't really come across that well. But yeah, this is probably the happy medium we need. Now, I know I had a plunger somewhere here. Yes. I'll do my Game Gear later on, I think. Yeah, do that. Yeah, go live after me. The people need a hero. You can be that hero. Oh, does this not fit? Ah, that is tight. I'm too big, guys. Ah. Okay. No stream loading condition today. Okay, yeah, fair enough. Is it still like super hot outside, or it was raining here today, so it's nice and cool. Yeah, I'm way too big for this hole. I'm sorry. But we can just make it work. I'm just gonna use it this once. Oh, and this is coming out of the. Oh, you guys can see. Good streamer, by the way. And this is coming out really smooth. Wow. Compared to the V2 that I'm using, this is really smooth. Can be precise. We like precision. Wow. So just the viscosity or whatever it's called. It's very nice. Hardly any pressure, and I don't even have the plunger fitted in. Hmm. That's a nice experience. Is it weird that I'm like hyper fixating on this, like on the small details, or am I the only one that's like, oh, I like how this feels, I like how this smells, and blah blah blah. It's just part of the hobby, right? And it does have a caramel smell to it. If you compare it to the V2 has a little bit more of a pine or rosin smell. This is like sweet caramel. Which is, it's not unpleasant, not at all. I just hmm hmm smells like toffee, like taffy or whatever it's called. Yeah, it's nice reflow. No worries, just chilling. Oh, nice. That trace or that pin looked like it didn't have enough solder on there, so that might have been the culprit. But this is a cheap game. I don't even know if I'm gonna resell it or whatever. What am I going to do with this? I bought this, or I didn't buy it specifically. I got this in another lot, game lot. So I don't know. Cyber Tiger. I don't even know the game, so I haven't played the game or seen any gameplay of it. Yeah, it's a good thing we're reflowing this because some of these do look suspicious. What flux is that? It's the Stereo V3. Stereo V3. And it does have a QC aid, so there's if you shine a UV light on it, you can see the residue flux, and that helps you during cleanup. So we can give that a shot after this. Just gonna give this a quick go. But yeah, I'm experimenting with a lot of fluxes. I'm using mechanic flux, I'm using the Stereo branded, the V2 and V3. And I'm gonna get some King Bow again. King Bow is coming probably next week. See what I think about that. It's been a couple of years since I've used King Bow. Pollock painting time? What? What are you on about? Pollock, what? um. Anyway, so yeah, you guys can see that. There's the residual flux. We haven't cleaned the board yet, so this is really good for cleanup. So that's the one of the things that made me buy the flux. So yeah, here it is, Greg. Stereo V3 TF Taiki Flux. And the UV light thing is this QC aid. So if you see any of the stereo brands that have this QC aid, you know that it's used for this cleanup. Jackson Pollock, you've lost me, bud. Painter known for throwing paint in weird patterns on the canvas. Okay. I'm a bit too uncultured to know things about that. We learn something new every day. Pollock, it sounds like chicken or something. You have seen 2.5 Men? Yes, I have. That was a long time ago. Is he one of the actors or? Surely not, right? Need some wipes. Remember that? No, I can't. I don't remember the con artist. This was a long time ago. Like, I used to watch it on TV. That's how long time ago it was. When Evelyn, no. I'm sorry, man. But you can DM me the clip or something. Yeah, do that. Send me the clip. Okay, let's see. But yeah, that used to run on TV all the time. Early 2000s. Okay, now we can see if we did a good job. Let's come with the light again. You can see that the flux is gone. Let me just see. I can still see some residual flux, but most of it is gone. It doesn't come across that well on the camera, but in real life you can see that there's just like a speck of flux left. But yeah, I'm really impressed by this. This is nice. Let me see if I can get everything off. And soldering wise, I mean, the finish on the soldering joints is like comparable to the V2. It's quite the same. So only thing I would like to have is like the V2 smell, the pine smell, instead of that sweet like caramel smell. It's not bad. It's just not my style, you know. I think the V5 doesn't have a smell to it, but it does have that QC aid, so maybe I'll try that too. But then again, that one doesn't have the halogens, I think. I'm not too sure. So you want the flux with some halogens because that will give it a little bit of a sauce, a little bit of spice to the solder joints. Gets rid of oxidation way better than non-halogen. But they just take the halogens out to comply with regulations and stuff. But we don't need to do that, so we can add it into our flux. So that's a good tip, guys. Don't use like this non-halogen, like environmental friendly. No, just use the fume extractor, put halogens in, get all of that in. You can have some nice shiny solder joints. Okay, I'm just gonna look at the solder joints. I'm too lazy to. No, I'm not too lazy. Come on, put in some effort. Put in some effort. Let's see. There's that. So you guys can see the finish on the solder joints. Looks nice and shiny. Let's see. Do I have something to point with? So that pin is a prime example of what it should look like. Does have a nice shape to it. What is it called? Concave or something? I don't know the word in English. And it's not too much solder. If you look onto the left one, there's a little bit more solder. See how it's like bulging out a little bit? That's still acceptable. To me, at least. But this one is like perfect. That one too. And most of these are. But yeah, there shouldn't be any cracks in the solder joint. There shouldn't be any like dryness, and everything should have a nice unified finish to it. Yeah, it's cone, but it's like it's does have this shape to it. This angle to it. Not roundedness. It should not be rounded like which one was it? Like that one. That's still that's still angled, but it does have this roundedness to it. You want to avoid that as much as possible. Like that one, that is a little bit too roundish. But yeah, they look perfectly fine. And this one too is a little bit, it's just like this roundishness. You're 2P, I work in production, so that's why. So we get to learn how to like what a solder joint should look like and how much flux you can leave on the board and what your soldering iron should be when you're soldering. So yeah, I work on like industrial boards and stuff, and we have regulations we have to follow. But if you're just doing it as a hobby, it doesn't really matter as long as it's soldered on. Hey, Slottech, yeah, we have a new name. So it's the same name, but it's just like the Swedish version of Frogman. So you can still call me Frogman if you want to. But yeah, welcome. You're coming in at the end of the stream. This is the special, not special edition. This is like the after hours. We're just doing this one more job, and then I'm gonna head out. Oh yeah, you did have the 4th of July party. How was it? Are you hungover? Had a little bit too much of whiskey. I know I would. I like to drink bourbon. Some wild turkey or something. We had a storm run through and knocked a bunch of trees down. Lost power for 2 days. Whoa. Let's see. I always put these shields on the wrong side for some reason. Should be like that. Living up to your name, getting here late. But you guys are funny. Let's see. It's my Phillips screws. But yeah, we didn't do much. We just fixed power supply, and what else do we do? We had a look at an N64 mod, which was kind of interesting, actually. And now we're on the last repair, hopefully. Hopefully the Cyber Tiger can come back to life. We should put the shield back. There we go. Like, I don't know why I'm putting this back together. As if this should work immediately. It might not work. Okay, there we go. Let me just set up the capture card. I have to swap because I only have one input. Okay, okay. Yeah, sorry about that. Had to swap out my capture card. Let's see here. We need a power supply. We need AV cord. See, and this power supply is running, right? No, this one is not plugged in. Let's see, where did you go? I have so many cables laying around. It's annoying. Wait, is this not it? Sorry, I should not move my mic around. Wait, let me mute because... Yeah, I had to mute my mic because I'm moving it around. So, anyway, I need to get this wireless mic so I can just... so I don't have to mute. No, you're not deaf. It's just me being dumb. Anyway, the N64 that we demodded doesn't power on anymore, so I had to swap it out with this one. So it is powering on. So I was just scrambling. But yeah, I will have to look at it off stream. See if we can plug in our AV. Okay, here we go, AV. Okay, and here we go, Cyber Tiger. What do you guys think? Yeah, something for next week? Yeah, maybe. You guys ready? So we just reflow the pins. Here we go, okay? 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Okay. Okay, okay. Nothing. Huh. Cyber Tiger. Tricky, tricky. Let's see. I mean, the board was spotless, honestly. So it should just work. Nah, okay. Let me see if it's the N64 of the game. You know, it helps if you power on your retro scaler. Yeah, it helps if you plug in the retro scaler and power it on. Maybe we can reset our cam too. Let's see here. Okay, so there we go. There's the Zelda. Okay, let's go again. What do you guys think? Yeah, we'll just cut that out. We'll just cut it. We'll fix it in the edit. This is the real test. Oh, what do you guys think? Will it work? I totally haven't tested it before. All right, Cyber Tiger. 3, 2, 1. Oh, is it on? Yeah, it is on. It still doesn't work. It's on. You can see the light there. Oh, we have a picture. I can't believe. And we have controllers as well, so we can test the game further. Let me see if I can untangle it. Like I am in need of cable management. Holy, you guys don't want to see the snake's nest I have down there. Okay, so let's plug it in. Reset? My reset might be broken. Okay. What is this? You need one note and 48 pages to save a game. Okay. I've never played this game before. Oh, it's a golf game. Oh, okay. I mean, that's boring. Oh, it's actually Tiger Woods. I thought it was gonna be like a tiger game or like, you know, platform game. Oh man. It's actually Tiger Golf. It's Tiger Woods, man. What is this jank ass game, bro? No way, man. How do I shoot? Come on, do it. I don't know how to do it. I don't know. Oh shit. Stick? Oh. What's a mulligan? What's a mulligan? Try again. 100%. 75. Ooh. That game came with it. You know about this game? No way. Or did you Google that? Have any of you played this game before? This is the first time I've seen this game. Oh, no, 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 no. What is it doing? Yo, angle it. Come on, angle. Oh, that was too much. That was way too much. No, man. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Please. Okay, par.
Sweet.
That's good, right? Par. We got it to work, guys. The Cyber Tiger is back. He's out. He's on the prowl. He's ready for the hunt. So yeah. I didn't expect it to be a golf game, but hey, I'll take it. I can't, like, how much is this game? It must be less than $10 or something. Yeah, success, yay, yay, yay. That's a nice W. But we still have the Zelda. And actually I did a battery swap on this, but the SRAM is bad. So I'm waiting on replacement on this. So we're gonna swap SRAMs with another less valuable game. So we can also do that on stream sometime. But I'm just waiting for that other game to come in. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for me. I'm out of here. I've been streaming for, I don't know, 3 hours. That's what I usually go for. So we will be back next Sunday. Next Sunday? Yeah, next Sunday, I believe. And I might have another video coming this week. Might be on Thursday. So yeah. Okay, guys, let's say our goodbyes. Let's say our goodbyes and then we can go to the next stream. So thank you guys for coming. Rusty Russ, thank you. TFN, Swarm Tech, Greg, thank you. Slot Tech, Chlorslug, as always, nice to see you. And yeah, guys, have a good rest of your Sunday. Rest of your Sunday. I can't speak anymore. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye, guys.